Hello and welcome to a tutorial on how to use Warehouse Plus. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a manual order and how to use Order Lookup. Create manual order lets you make an order for an existing or new customer. Order Lookup lets you look up existing orders. Both of these can easily be found underneath the orders icon. You may be talking to a potential or existing customer and they may want to order something from you. This is where Create Manual Order helps you the most. It has a function to either search for an existing customer or create a new customer, so you are able to take orders from people who have never ordered from you before. To find an existing customer, you have to search for their name and they will show up in the results. To create a new customer, you'll have to select the icon with the person and the plus sign. Create Customer will create a customer that will be added to your Linnworks directory. To create the customer, you'll have to fill in the blanks shown on the screen, including the name, company, email, and address. The example has come back to create manual order. On the screen, we can search for and choose any products from our inventory to add to the order for our customer. For this, you have to select the product and enter the quantity they require. Once you're at the review page, you can press the X button to remove an item, select the I button to view the subtotal, shipping charge, tax, and grand total, or you can create the order. Selecting Create Order will give you three options: Paid, Unpaid, and Make Payment. Selecting Paid will send the order to the Paid section. Selecting Unpaid will send it to the Unpaid section, and selecting Make Payment will give you the option to make a payment through either Stripe or PayPal. Once you have created the order, you'll get an order number. From here, you can go to Order Lookup to find any previous orders that you have taken. You can also search for an order by using the order ID or reference number. Once you have found the order, you'll be shown the order ID, order date, status, source name, the quantity, and the products that the customer has ordered. That is all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave in the comments below or give us an email, and we will try to get back to you as soon as possible to answer any of your queries. I'll catch you in the next video.